Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got the Krave Beauty, the Korean beauty box to share with you. It was released yesterday. It costs £30 and it has a value of £75. If you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find it listed down below, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers, 2 other websites, and also the chance to win a glossy box, unopened, not the one you saw in my unboxing, advent calendar. It's a dual giveaway on Facebook and Instagram, so if you're not already following me on either of those, then you'll see the links down there as well. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside. I do have a code, a personal code, if you weren't aware, for Cult Beauty. It is CBXBeautyGeek, but unfortunately it can't be used on these boxes. I was told that, but every time they release a limited edition, I always check just to see, because we used to be able to use discount codes on their boxes, but not anymore. There you go, a little sneak peek. Do you remember me saying that I really wished that more brands would come out with more Korean beauty boxes? Well, we're seeing loads now, aren't we? I unboxed one from Boots a couple of weeks ago. I've got another one on its way to me. We're definitely seeing more and more. Right, let's start off with Bioma. Bioma's a really gorgeous brand. This is a balancing face mist. A triceramide complex with probiotics and LANEIGE boosted barrier, better skin. It says, this is a lightweight face mist with our triceramide complex. It's to help replenish and strengthen the skin's microbiome, mimics natural barrier function, working to calm and soothe the skin for hydrated, soft and refreshed finish. I love all the information on the Bioma products. Very similar to like the Inky list, where it tells you what step to use the products in. So yeah, so this would be your second step in a skincare routine after you cleanse. Then we've got a glow recipe. And this is a mini Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, brightening and even tone. It has Cloudberry concentrate, coenzyme Q10 and amino acids. Familiar with glow recipe, but not this. Oh wow, look at the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous, isn't it? It's just so lovely. It's just so unique and brightly coloured. Effectively brightens, smooth and even skin tone with its lightweight essence toner. This concentrated treatment is packed with powerful antioxidants, radiance enhancing vitamin C and amino acids to improve dryness instantly and over time. These clinically effective ingredients work together to prep and fortify skin to maximise the benefits of the rest of your skincare routine. So you'd use it after cleansing and before you go on to using like your serums and moisturisers. It's got an essence. Then we've got Then I Met You Living Sea Cleansing Tonic. Again, this is something new for me. Have you noticed I got different hair? I had my ginger tape-in extensions removed earlier on, and yeah, it was a bit of a shock to see the state of my hair, how thin it's gone. It's getting better, but it's going to be another year or so until the thickness has filled in the rest of my hair that I've lost over the last year through to androgenic alopecia. So I thought, I can't film with my hair as it is. I'm just really self-conscious. It really gets me down. I really don't like it. So I've been raiding my halo hair extensions. And I thought this one would sort of blend in. I don't know. I have got some ginger ones. I'll have to see. I'm trying to take the top off here. I don't know why I took the top off. But there you go. It's liquid. It's just going to go everywhere. It smells like a man's aftershave. What is it? A refreshing and multitasking cleansing toner that hydrates while it cleanses, powered by 85% deep sea water, sourced from Gangwon, Korea. Apply onto a cotton pad to wipe away impurities from the skin, or dispense directly into your hands and pat or press into your face and neck. I love the packaging. That bottle is so nice. There's that. Then we've got LANEIGE. We always see a LANEIGE in a beauty box, in a Korean beauty box. And this is a lip sleeping mask. And it's a new one for me as well. I do have quite a few of these. And this is Gummy Bear. This is going to make me want to lick it all the time. So it's going to taste or smell like sweets. I've got 2 by the side of me down here. I got apple. I think it's just apple. Is it normal apple? Or no, caramel apple and chocolate. Oh, they're so good. They're really good. So it comes with a little spatula, which I love. Oh my word, that just brings me back to my childhood. What the heck does it smell of? I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's not plasticine. That's the first thing that came to my mind, but it's not. I don't think it's Gummy Bear. It smells really nice. And it's a really great product. So regardless of the smell, it's really lovely on your lips. So yeah, you can apply it throughout the day. It's up to you really. But yeah, I always put it on at night before I go to sleep. Then we've got Krave Beauty. This is Great Barrier Relief. Reparative Skin Soothing Serum. And there is 15 mils there. Apply 1 to 2 pumps before moisturiser. And that's all it says. Let's see if it says anything on the website. Made from a powerful fusion of conditioning oils and skin nourishing ingredients, this ceramide-rich staple helps protect and hydrate the skin's barrier. Over the next 2 weeks, starting from, I suppose, Saturday, Sunday of this week onwards, I'm going to be documenting my skin removal surgery in Lithuania. I'm going to Nord's Aesthetics. I'm having my arms lifted, my armpits lifted and my breasts lifted. So I'm going to be documenting it all. I'm going to put loads of footage over on TikTok. I'll put some onto Instagram, but then I'm going to be, hopefully, if I'm up for it, I'm going to be doing daily little vlogs, which I'll post on YouTube as well. I'll still post up some beauty content. I've pre-filmed a few things. If you're not interested, then I will not be offended if you don't watch it. It's mainly for me, just documenting my journey. I can look back, and because I am thinking of maybe possibly having a tummy tuck next year if all this goes well. Might do. I know from when I did my video a couple of months ago telling you all about it and what I was going to do and the things, a load of you were really interested and wanted to follow along. I just thought I'd tell you up front that my channel isn't changing. It's just going to be all about my surgery and a little bit of beauty for the next 2.5 weeks or so. Last item in the box, and we've got Innisfree. This is a green tea seed hyaluronic cream. It's a facial cream. 10 ml pot. There. Let's have a little bit on my hand. See if it has any information about it. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It smells of lemon tea. Oh, it smells so nice. Yeah, and it feels really nice on my skin, but I can't get over that smell. Like lemon tea. That is beautiful. Suitable for all skin types, this nourishing cream is infused with the brand's nourishing beauty green tea complex alongside 5 types of hyaluronic acid to help protect the skin's moisture barrier. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I love that. It just smells so nice. And there you go. Those are all the products. Let me get them all facing upright. 6 beauty products. I'm sure there's 3 full sizes. I'm sure the Bioma Glow Recipe and the LANEIGE is full size. But anyway, 6 beauty products, has a value of £75 and can be bought for £30, which I think is a good price point. We have been seeing more inflated prices for beauty boxes recently, so it is good that, you know, you can still get some beauty boxes for around the £30 mark. I think if you're new to Korean beauty and you fancy trying some beauty products out, I do think this is a really nice box. Or saying that, if you're a huge Korean beauty fan anyway, it's a good bargain, isn't it? Because you're saving money. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you buy one for yourself? Or you're watching this thinking, yeah, I'm going to buy one. Or you're thinking, nah, I've had enough of Korean beauty now, seen it all over the place. And you're going to give it a miss. I'd love to know. So please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.